What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. In today's video, we're doing a little bit of an install on the Roush. We are installing the S550 Euro tail lights, so stay tuned. So there they are. Turn the other one on. So on this side we had to move the sub out of the way to get to the third stud in the back. Pretty simple install so far. We're in it maybe 10 minutes. Got the one side done. Alright, so it's pretty damn hot in here. Install is all done. In my opinion, it looks a lot better than stock. I know everybody's going to have their mixed opinions, but guess what? At the end of the day, it's my car, so I'm going to do what I want with it. And definitely enjoying it. I'm going to get some shots at night and see its true potential. Alright guys, a second day to get this done. Sorry about the background music. Essentially, I never wired in the yellow wire to the third brake light, which is right here. With that not connected, the brakes don't function properly. Let me see if I can show you guys here in just a second. So here's how it is right now. It's like a signal light that goes across. The brake light doesn't actually light up. So if you don't connect the yellow wire, it's going to be like that. It just doesn't look right. So we're definitely going to get it taken care of and see if we can switch up the modes. Just so you guys know, if you do have a sub in the back, it is going to have to be removed. It's 3 bolts, one here, and one right there. It takes 2 minutes to remove it. It's going to save you a lot of headaches by just removing it. So just like so, you move it out of the way. So let me turn up the bright one. It got ran all the way into the cabin and connected to both lights. And now the brakes work as they're supposed to. Turn signal. Flashers. Still, I'm gonna mess around with the modes now. I think all red is the way to go.
Yeah, we just kept going. I fell the second round. He fell the second round, but I won because I put more effort. Other limbos, you see people that get on the car. They get on the car all the time. Yeah, it's just fun and funny. Whoever did the most best round, basically. Yeah. This is the only shit. Just push it down.
Alright guys, so the taillight install is all complete. A little bit of a hassle, honestly, not too bad. It took about 15 minutes to get the yellow wire installed. It made the brake lights work properly. I switched it over to the all red mode. It looks so much better than the amber one, in my opinion anyhow. Everybody's going to have their own opinion, but that's my favorite mode and I'm sticking with it. The all red sequential looks really, really good. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you prefer the amber or the all red. And of course, guys, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm out.